Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a whole house clean, so I thought I'd film it. We've had a busy few weeks here and the house has been neglected, so it was in need of a good clean. And I don't know about you, but I find cleaning can be really overwhelming sometimes. So for this video I decided to try something new and put a 15-minute timer on for each room and just see how much I could get done in that time. Some of the rooms did go a bit over 15 minutes, but that was okay. I hope this video motivates you, and if you do like it, please do give it a thumbs up and please do consider subscribing to my channel for more cleaning, motherhood and lifestyle content. I'm starting off in our bedroom. I saw something once that you should start at the top of your house and work downwards when you do cleaning. And as you can tell, I have a mountain of laundry to do. I've left this on the side of our room for about a week and I thought, you know what, let's just put it away. I hate putting washing away. I don't know about you, but it is one of my least favourite things to do. I love washing clothes, I just dislike putting it away. And then my next least favourite job is making the bed, and if only it was as easy as that. Thank goodness for transitions to make that look effortless, because you didn't see me struggle with that duvet. Now on to my side of the room, where I literally just dump things down onto this makeup stand, and I always promise myself I'm going to keep it clean and tidy, and I never ever do. I just can't manage to do it, but this time I'm going to keep it clean, I promise. And if you are ever thinking about getting a velvet headboard, just be warned that you do have to hoover it, otherwise dust will gather on top and it's very annoying. I did not realise that. And that's the first room done. Now on to my son's room, and just going to start with just putting all the stuff away that we just hurl in there and just leave. I really like this flamingo bed set that I got from IKEA. It has a zip fastening at the bottom of the duvet cover, which just is great for any worrying parents out there. I highly recommend it. And as you can tell, this room, as it is very small, didn't take me the full 15 minutes, which is great. A top tip for cleaning the bathroom is to take everything out of there before you start cleaning, otherwise you just find yourself going around all the bottles and everything, and I find it gets very confusing and irritating. I'm using the Pink Stuff cream cleaner to clean my bath and tiles, and I think it works great. I didn't manage to finish cleaning the bathroom in time. I was 15 seconds over, but obviously it's not the end of the world. All I had to do was hoover and mop, and then I was all done. Realistically though, when you have a kid, your bathroom will never be clean because bath toys are so ugly. Now onto the landing, definitely a part of the house that always gets forgotten, just because it's not much really to clean, but it does need to be done. It needs to be dusted on a regular basis because down by the banisters it gets very dusty, but it's just somewhere that I just always forget that needs cleaning. Also, I do highly recommend getting a stair basket. It is a great way to keep clutter from just sitting on your stairs. But the issue we have is that we put stuff in the stair basket and it never gets removed. So I don't think that's quite how they're supposed to work. Our hallway glass lampshades are from BHS. I miss BHS. I always forget to clean them as well. I'll be coming up or down the stairs and I'll go, oh my goodness, they're so dusty. And then they'll stay dusty for another 3 weeks. So today I gave them both a good clean and now they're nice and sparkly. And now cleaning the rest of the hallway, which is another part of the house I always forget to clean. Now onto the living room, which is again a room which is essentially a playroom for Ellis, so it's just always going to be messy. No matter how much I try and clean it, the pile of toys will always just be unsightly. We do actually put all of his toys inside the TV unit thing, the white cupboard. This was filled with our DVDs, but then once Ellis was born we got rid of him and now it is his toy chest. As you can tell, I am not putting these toys away neatly. I am literally just shoving them in because, let's be serious, when you have a toddler, there's no point in putting things away nicely because as soon as he gets home, he's going to be opening up that cupboard and hurling them all out.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.
And I managed to clean the living room in less than 15 minutes. Win, win, win. And now on to my least favourite room in the house to clean, the kitchen room and the dining room, aka the dumping ground. It was my son's birthday at the beginning of August and we had some family round, and so the table's been pushed back and we haven't tidied it up at all.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Also, as you can see, I have the ADDIS mop, where you're supposed to put water and disinfectant into this little water bottle thing and then be able to spray water directly from the mop onto the floor, but our one doesn't work properly, so I'm having to use antibac spray to spray the floor first and then mop it, which is a little bit silly if you ask me. My husband works from home, so the kitchen is where his office is, so excuse all the hard drives and the cables, there's nowhere for them to go and they are so ugly, but that is nothing I can do about that.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
And so that is the dining area part of the kitchen done. And now on to the kitchen, which I thought wouldn't take me very long, but it took me forever to clean, which is crazy because there's not that much to do, but I just went a bit over the top with it. Please, in the comments below, let me know whereabouts in your house is it the dumping ground. Ours is our breakfast bar, where we don't actually eat breakfast. We will always just find stuff on here which doesn't need to be there, like these bubbles. Why are they there? Just put them away. Who knows? On the windowsill there are my chilli plants. They're my pride and joy. I've grown them from seeds and I'm hoping that they give me a chilli at some point. Obviously you probably can buy a pack of chillies for about 13p, and these guys here have probably cost me about 4 months of my life. But it's okay, it's worth it for when I get that chilli. I feel like a proud mum.
Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights up, done with my own doubts.
I cleaned my toaster in this video for the first time and I don't know how long, and the amount of crumbs which came out of it was appalling. I can't believe it. So if you have a toaster, put it on your to-do list now to clean your toaster because it needs to be done. I was embarrassed at the amount of crumbs that I had coming out of mine. They were everywhere. This side of our kitchen is so uncomfortable for me because our fruit, it just goes everywhere, but our fruit bowl's not big enough. But then if we had a bigger one, it would be overbearing, and we haven't got space for a bread bin, so our bread just sort of sits there, and I don't like it, but we have no other space in the kitchen for these things, so that's that. And that is it. We have a clean house. Hooray! I wonder how long it will stay this way. The final thing I do is I just put all the cloths I have used and the bottom of the mop in the washing machine, put it on for a 45-minute wash, and then hang them out when they're done. And that's everything. If you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!